So just doing a quick report on a road trip that I'm doing now. 4 hours into the trip, and after the etuners remap and removal of the crackles, the car is doing 10.5 kilometers an hour, which is fair enough. And I was gifted with a rock that just hit my windshield. So yeah, that's how it is. We're gonna stop by in the next city, see if we can get the windshield patched, but I'm not sure. I may need to replace the windshield in the near future. Anyways, so far so good. The remap, the etuners ton is doing pretty good. The car is feeling pretty well, and as soon as I come back from this trip, I'm gonna do another run test on the draggy to see how it's gonna be. All right. So far, one day after the remap, I'm doing this road trip, which I already have driven 8 hours and 44 minutes, and the fuel consumption is staying quite good, around 10.1 kilometers an hour. Total of 516.6 kilometers, and of course we had that gift of a rock that hit the windshield. But fortunately, we were able to fix it somehow. So we can barely see where the rock hit it. See there? Pretty good job. And I'm pretty glad that I'm not going to need to replace the windshield, which it would be very difficult in Brazil. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. Just make sure you subscribe and hit the like button.